Hey there, it's Drew Stevens with another episode of Wisdom to Wealth. I want to talk to you today about something that's really important. I finished a seminar recently and it just reminded me of something that I see each and every day. So I want to talk to you about something with a little bit of sincerity and a little bit of sarcasm as well. To stop building your retirement like a backyard deck, like you just went to Menards or Home Depot and you said, okay. So let me start out with this. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you watched a YouTube video? Yesterday? Maybe this morning? Need to fix the garbage disposal? There's a video for that. Need to replace the faucet? There's a video for that. Need to smoke a brisket? 27,000 videos. Need to get a cat? Remember when YouTube first came out? There's like 60 bazillion videos on how to buy a cat. Today, apparently, people think that they can retire the exact same way. I could tell you how many people call me and say, "Hey, Drew, I just watched 3 videos about Roth conversions." Great. Did the video tell you what happens to Medicare premiums? No. Did it explain how Social Security benefits could become more taxable? Absolutely not. And did it calculate whether your conversion pushes you into another tax bracket? No. Did it show you what happens to your surviving spouse 5 years after one of you dies? Nope. But hey, it showed you a colorful chart. And here's the problem. I recently had somebody contact me and he wanted to discuss Roth conversions. We started to talk. And he's like, yeah, just run the numbers. Just do the analysis. Put it in your spreadsheet. Do what you're going to do. Then there was silence. I never heard from him again. Maybe he watched the video. Maybe he downloaded another free calculator. Maybe he found another self-proclaimed retirement expert on YouTube. Who knows? And I sincerely hope he makes the right decision, because here's what worries the hell out of me. It does not give wisdom. Google can tell you what a Roth conversion is, but it can't tell you whether you should do one or not, or when you should do it. That's like Googling, should I have knee surgery? Well, maybe. Depends on your knee. Depends on your health. Depends on your age. Depends on what you're trying to accomplish. Retirement planning isn't exactly the same. Most people think I could pay tax today, I could save tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. No one tells them. A Roth conversion increases your modified adjusted gross in the year that you're doing the conversion. That can increase your taxable portion of your Social Security benefit. And because Medicare uses a 2-year look back for IRMAA, today's conversion increase can actually increase your Part B and your Part D premiums 2 years from now and push you into a higher income tier. No one talks about that. When was the last time one of your financial professionals that you're with discussed that with you? What I love is Skippy always running around showing you, but look at your portfolio. Look at your portfolio. Who gives a damn about the portfolio? If you're not taking a look at what the liabilities are going to be in the future, really doesn't matter, because it doesn't fit in a 6-minute YouTube video. You know what cracks me up? People will spend 6 months, maybe longer. They're shopping for patio furniture. They'll compare cushions. They'll compare fabric. They'll look at reviews. They'll look at the warranty. They'll look at the color. They'll look at cup holders. They'll go to Amazon. They'll go to Wayfair. It's the most amazing thing in the world. And then they'll move $2 million in retirement assets because somebody on YouTube who had a really nice microphone and a really nice backdrop said, what are we doing? Everything touches everything. This is what I need you to understand. Taxes, IRMAA, Social Security, required minimum distributions, widow taxes, capital gains, estate planning, income, healthcare, cash flow, sequence of returns. Shall I continue? They're not separate decisions. They all go together. They're one giant puzzle. Pull out one piece and everything moves. It's like playing retirement Jenga. Ever played that before? It's going to tip, it's going to tip, and then eventually it falls over. That's why I stopped calling myself a financial advisor. I'm a retirement decision strategist, because retirement isn't about products. It's not about showing you these gorgeous pie charts and showing you, hey, look, you made 4%. No, retirement is about decisions, not tens of them, not hundreds of them, but thousands of them. And one decision is going to screw up the next one or make it better. The right Roth conversion isn't determined because somebody online says they're great. It's determined because it fits into your retirement. And that's why I would not answer the gentleman's question that called recently, because he thought, yeah, just put it into a spreadsheet, bada bing, bada boom, it's going to come up with this magical formula. No, it's not. There's too many integrated pieces. Look, you absolutely can build your own deck. Good for you. But you can even change the brakes on your truck if you're brave enough. But retirement, you spent 30, 40 years, sometimes even 50, saving money for this particular period in your life. Why in the heck would you risk all of that because somebody made an entertaining 12-minute video? If you're wondering whether a Roth conversion makes sense, don't ask YouTube. Ask someone who's willing to build an actual retirement strategy, because a Roth conversion isn't the goal. No, it's actually not. Paying less tax over your lifetime is. Keeping more of your Social Security is, and avoiding unnecessary Medicare surcharges is. Creating more income for your spouse is. That's the strategy. And I'll leave you with this before I finish. I had a gentleman come in yesterday, asked about Roth conversions. After doing analysis before and after, this is why you can't find this on YouTube, I was able to save him, you ready for this? Over $900,000 in federal and state taxes over the course of a lifetime. He had a impending IRMAA bill of literally over $500,000. Guess what we did? We got it down to zero. Zero. If you're approaching retirement or you're already retired, you'd like to know more and put all the pieces together, listen, I'd love to help you. Schedule a complimentary retirement decision strategy session. We'll examine everything: your taxes, Social Security, Medicare investments, your income plan, your legacy goals, not in isolation, but as an integrated strategy. I'm Drew Stevens, your retirement decision strategist. Until next time. And if you like what you heard, I'd ask you to please rate and review this, and please send a recording of this to a special friend that you think needs help with their retirement strategy. Until next time, this is Drew Stevens. I'll see you then.